Alrighty, welcome to my next grow series. The only difference this time, it's not going to be an auto grow. So a lot to go over, bear with me. I'm going to start this grow here with feminized, and we got in these seeds right here from Crop King. It's Black Domina crossed with Scott's OG. It seemed pretty interesting. I tried Scott's OG before. It was really good. So anyway, as far as this Crop King seed order goes, I got 5 seeds. They say there's an 80% germination rate. The only thing is, this company will only stand behind their seeds by their guidelines on popping their seeds. So what they say is you soak them in a cup of water for no more than 24 hours. Then you put them in wet paper towels and let the seeds pop. Then you put them in dirt. The only problem I got with that is I know a lot of people do it. I know a lot of people got luck. I've never had luck popping seeds in paper towels. I think out of the 5 years, I've probably popped 1 or 2 seeds in a paper towel with success. Problem is, I can't check on that paper towel every couple hours to make sure she stays moist, and it never does. Always dries out on me by the time I get back to it. And even if it doesn't, I never had luck with it. So my theory is I always go seed to dirt. So what I figured I'd do was, I like the part about soaking the seeds in the water. It softens the shell. That's fine. But I use a Pro Mix dirt, which is a neutral dirt. So basically, a neutral dirt, cardboard, paper, as long as it's wet, stays moist, to me, it's going to pop that seed. So wet dirt, as long as it's not a hot soil, should act the same as a paper towel. How'd you like that whistle? Should like the same as a paper towel. And that's the way I did it. So anyway, whether it's the way I did it or their 80% germination rate, exactly, let's see, what's today? Wednesday. So we got 3, 4, I think 5 days ago, I put the seeds in the soil here, these little starter cups in the terrarium. And today is the, let's see, Sunday. Well, if you count the day I put them in, it's 5 days, but it's actual 4 full days. And lo and behold, oh, I didn't want to do that. Lo and behold, I have 4 seeds popped up. I'll have to get that light on after. And started them in the terrarium. I'll show them to you real quick. And that's what they look like right there. So already they're reaching up for this weak light. And at this point here, definitely got to transplant them. And it's going to be a little different. I've been doing automatics for a year now. And I'll just have to pay more attention. And another 2 days, or maybe even tomorrow night, I like to put them in number 1s. And I'll veg them in there for weeks. I mean, it could be 4, 5, 6 weeks till they really fill in that number 1, get kind of root bound in that number 1. Then I'm going to put them in 7s. And from the 7s, I am going to grow the hell out of them. I'm going to use a scrotch net this time. I'm going to snap the stalks, bend them over, create a knuckle, and grow them out horizontal. Then grow the buds vertical off that. So anyway, what I was getting back to is 4 to 5 seeds popped. That could be that 80% germination rate, could be the way I did it. Nevertheless, at least I got 4 out of the 5. Maybe that 5th one will pop up in another day or 2. We're going to be doing this under exclusively the MARSHYDRO, sold on Amazon. I'm sponsored by. And we have a basic setup here. We have the TS1000, TSL2000, and TS600 again, which is phenomenal. MARSHYDRO Amazon contacted me again, and they were more than willing to sponsor me another light. So I actually have a TSW2000 coming in, which basically is like the TS1000. but it's a 2000, so it's a TSW. I'll have it in here soon, and I'm just gonna probably have to reconfigure the lights a little bit because I got 4 plants to grow, so hopefully the 5th one comes up. So I'll just spread them out, cover the whole grow with the MARSHYDRO lights, and we'll see how they do. Very anxious to see. I never tried the MARSHYDRO on the regular feminized phototype, but we're gonna give it a go. So it's gonna be a little longer grow. I'm gonna try and get you 2 videos a week to be more detailed. It's gonna be a lot more work on my part. I'm gonna have to be a little bit more diligent and get to the point where I'll have to defoliate more. Then I'll get into showing you how I lollipop. Before even that happens, I'm gonna show you how I top the plants to get more bud sites, and we'll go from there. Then I'll show you how I break the stalk, create a knuckle, grow it out horizontal. It's just one way I do it because I'm in a tent. If I had 12-15 foot ceilings, I would not be busting them over, but in a tent, those feminized always get away from me in growth. They really kick up. So anyway, that's about what's going on. I had these going, like I said, soaked them, put them in. I used a heating mat. I set the heating mat on 77. It's definitely not reaching 77. So I can give you a little heads up. It should be about 72, something like that. Well, I got 71. That's about what it is. So the soil was about 71. And it seemed to germinate those seeds pretty good. So anyway, that's basically what I got going on. And at first, I am not going to run AC. I'll have to see how hot these lights get with 4 of them in here. Probably won't even run the dehumidifier. I'm going to try running this grow a little hotter, a little bit more humid with a high content of CO2. And that's a good thing. You'll see what I mean. Growth is incredible when you can run your grow at around 80-82 degrees, 60% humidity, 65, and run maximum ppms as you can. Eat like 700 in veg. Right as you get into flower, 1,000. The minute you switch that light to 1212, bam, 1200, 1500 ppms of CO2. So that's about what I have going on. And this is just the first video introduction. I'm still waiting for that light in the mail. I'll do an unboxing video when I get that in. I'll reconfigure my lights, show you that. But anyway, what I was getting to, this is Wednesday, so I'm going to try and get a video in on Wednesdays and Saturdays. This will be a lot more to cover, a lot more to show you. And compared to the automatics, the growth might be a little different every time we come looking. We might see a better difference. So anyway, that's what I got going on. And rather than keep rambling on, it's just the first video. Just wanted to do an introduction, let you know what's going on, something to look forward to. I'm going to try and be more detailed, and like I said, probably 2 times already, more diligent in my grow. Keep up with it, and something always hard for me to do, but time will tell. So anyway, stay tuned. It'll definitely be pretty good. I like to see those 20-inch colas I usually get off my Fems, and sometimes 30. And very anxious to see it. So stay tuned. Got another video coming Saturday. It's Wednesday today. And everybody stay healthy. Thanks for watching.